Okay, so this is a normal sewer drain pipe. Sometimes there's a little bit of water that's in it. Most of the time it's pretty much empty. As you can see, as we're going through this, the water is getting deeper and deeper, and a lot of debris, solid debris are inside of here. This is showing that there's a low spot of belly that's in the drain pipe. And when it starts to hold all these solids in here like this, that's when you start having drain problems. You have a lot of buildup that can happen, kind of like a clogged artery. So with the sewer camera of the lateral, we can find all these problems that are hidden before you purchase the home, and they become your problems. As a home inspector, we can run the water down all the drains in the house, and this will flow just fine. But a couple years down the road, this is going to have problems. So it's best to know this before going into the home purchase. So if you'd like to find out more about this, please give us a call at 281-655-4383, or you can schedule on our webpage. You can see that this is connected to the other side of the belly that's inside of there, and goes into the city sewer drain right at that point.